Good morning students. Welcome to your maths class. As you know, we are doing data handling. In this, today we will do page number 129. What you have to do is use the information to count and complete the list. You can see few students have chosen activity for their summer camp. Now you have to see the chart and write number of students in front of art section, number of students who chose skating, number of students who chose music. First of all, we will do the first activity, that is art. From page number 129, you can see student 1 has chosen art, student 3 has chosen art, student 7 has chosen art and student 14 has chosen art. In this way, 4 students chose art. You can see the given column and check whether I am right or not. Now, the second one is skating. Again, we will see the list. Student 2 has chosen skating. Student 4 has chosen skating. Student 5 has chosen skating. Student 9 has chosen skating. Again, in this way, 4 students chose skating. So, we will write 4 here in front of skating. Now, let's see how many chose music as an activity for summer camp. Student 6 has chosen music. Student 8 has chosen music. Student 10, 11, 12 and 13 and 15 chosen music. In this way, let us count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of students who chose music as an activity are 7. So, we will write here 7. In this way, you have to complete the exercise given in your book. Let's come to the second question. Second question is, use the information given to fill the total column and answer the question. Few informations are given, like in class 1A, number of girls are 27, number of boys are 12. Like this list is given. What you have to do is addition, total number of students you have to find out. Let's start from first A. Number of girls 27, number of boys 12. Now you have to add. As you know, you will start from ones place. 7 plus 2 is, keep the 7 in mind and take out 2 fingers and count after 7, 8, 9. So you will write 9 here and come to the tens place now. Now 2 plus 1 is, yes, you know that 2 plus 1 is 3. So, total number of students in 1A is 39. Okay. First one you have done. Now come to class 1B. Let's see what are the number given. In 1B, 32 girls are there. So, we are writing here 32 and boys are 25. Again, we are writing 25 here. Let's see total number of students in class 1B. Start the addition from ones. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Hope you can do addition mentally also. So, total number of students in 1B 57. Now come to class 1C. 19 girls are there and 21 boys. So we will add, and what the answer? Let's see. 9 plus 1, that is 10. You know 10 is double digit number. So we will write 0 here and 1 will be carried forward. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Total number of students in 1C is, total number of students in 1C 40. So write down 40 here. Now come to class 1D. 30 plus 20. It's so easy. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. So we got the answer. In class 1D, 50 students are there. Now one by one, you have to answer the question. First question is, in which class? First question is, which class has maximum number of students? Maximum. What do you understand by maximum? It means the number which is biggest. Let's see. 39, 57, 40, 50. The greatest number, biggest number is 57. So, in which class 57 students are there? Yes, it is in 1B. So, in question 1, you will write 1B. Now, let's see the second question. Which class has maximum number of boys? Now, here they are asking maximum number of boys. So, we will check the boys column. This one, 12, 25, 21, 30. Again, we will see the greatest number here. That is 25. So, I got the answer. That is 1B. In second question also, 1B is the answer. Now come to the third question. Which class has maximum number of girls? Here is a misprint. In maximum, spelling is wrong. Correct it properly, seeing the question 1 and question 2. I is written, you will write A. Now number of girls you have to see. Maximum number of girls. You will come to the girls column. See which is maximum biggest number among 27, 32, 19 and 30. Yes, you are right. It is again 1B. So we are writing in third question 1B. Let's see the fourth question. Which class has least number of boys? Least means minimum. Least means minimum. Here we have to see the column of boys and we have to find the least number among 12, 25, 21 and 20. We will get 12. In which class? That is in first day, minimum number of boys are there. So we will write 1A here. We got the answer. Least number of boys are in 1A, as it is only having 12 boys. Which class has least number of girls? Let's see. Among girls column, minimum number is, smallest number is 27, 32, 19 and 30. What's the answer? The smallest number is 19. So, you got the answer. That is class 1C has least number of girls. So, we will write here 1C. In this way, you have to do it in your book. observe the given information and according to it you have to write the answer. Hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.